Welcome back to another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the drive belt and pump belt on this Maytag top-load washer. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. To begin, remove the drain line and tuck it under the door. Next, pull the washer away from the wall and lean it back. Wedge a brick, toolbox, or other solid object under the washer to prevent it from tipping forward. For video purposes, we've also removed the bottom panel and laid the washer down flat on the floor. To remove the pump belt, roll the belt towards the pump pulley while gradually pulling down until the belt peels off the pump pulley, and then just pull it off the motor pulley. Followed by the same process to remove the drive belt, and set your belts aside. When installing the belts, take note that the belts and the grooves on the motor pulley are sized differently so they can't be mixed up. Start with the drive belt, which is the wider belt. Place it in the inner groove on the motor pulley and spin it gradually onto the drive pulley. Next, install the pump belt in the same way. Finally, remove your brick or toolbox from under the washer. Tip the washer back down and replace the drain hose. And this will complete your repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.